I will present to you the process and handling of reservation call of the front office. In this video, I'm the reservation agent, and while my partner Chavez will be my client. And please enjoy yourselves and watch the full video, and thank you.
Good morning. Escala Tagaytay Hotel Reservation. This is John speaking. How can I help you?
Yes, I'd like to reserve a room for two, please.
Before we proceed to the reservation process, may I know who is on the line?
I am Benny Chavez.
Could you spell your first name for me, please?
Sure. Bincnd.
Thank you for that information, Sir Chavez. May I know which date you would like to make your reservation?
I'm planning to visit Tagaytay on 25th until 27th of April. Do you have any vacancies?
Yes, we have several rooms available for that particular days. May I know what type of room, Mr. Chavez, you would like to stay?
Do you have any premier rooms?
I'm sorry to inform you, Mr. Chavez, but all our premier rooms have been booked on the 25th of April. How about a deluxe room instead? We can transfer you once there is availability.
Ah, okay. That is fine.
Perhaps you didn't know that we have new room rates. Do you have find that acceptable, Mr. Chavez?
Please tell me the price so I can make a decision.
For a deluxe room, we have it at 6,405 pesos, Mr. Chavez, per room per night.
That's a reasonable price.
Now, as for the room, Mr. Chavez, do you prefer smoking or non-smoking?
Definitely. Non-smoking, I can handle that smell.
Non-smoking. Now is a queen size bed, okay?
A queen sounds great.
Now you prefer to have a room with that view of the lake.
If the type of room is available, I would love to have the lake view.
Great. Would you like to confirm your reservation, Mr. Chavez?
Yes, I would like to confirm the reservation.
Can I have the name of the persons who will be staying, Mr. Chavez?
Mr. and Mrs. Kelly.
Okay, one more second, Mr. Chavez. Your reservation is now verified. So all I need to know is your phone number.
It's 0929 1068
Let me repeat that. 0929 1068126. Okay, Chavez. How will the bill be settled?
Do you accept payments via credit card?
Yes, Mr. Chavez. Now I'll need your credit card information to reserve the room for you. What type of card is it?
Visa, the number is 98765432.
And what is the name of the card holder?
Lebron C. Irvin.
Alright. Mr. Chavez, your reservation has been made for the 25th until 27th of April for a deluxe room with a queen size bed and, of course, with a view of the lake. Our bills will be settled via Visa amounting to 12,810 pesos. Check-in is at 2 o'clock. Is that correct, Mr. Chavez?
Yes, that's all correct.
We wish to inform you about our 6 p.m. policy. Please be advised that you have to check in not later 6 p.m. Otherwise, the hotel reserves the right to give the room to listed clients.
Noted. Thank you for informing me.
My pleasure. Is there anything I can do for you, Mr. Chavez?
No, thank you. That will be all.
Thank you, Mr. Chavez, for calling. We'll see you in April. Have a nice day.